accusative case. Remember, the accusative case is for direct objects. And I have here a little paragraph with a whole lot of direct objects in it. So remember, the direct object is the thing that you are verbing, the thing you're reading, the thing you have, the thing you are buying, the thing you are eating. It's the thing that gets done. Okay, so one rule that we need to remember is that when we use the accusative case or direct objects, anything that is masculine will get an extra N on the end of the definite article or indefinite. Now what we're going to do here is put in the word ein. We're going to put it in the correct form, and you already know that if in the nominative case, masculine and neuter get just an ein with no ending, and that feminine gets eine, gets an E on the end. Now what's going to happen here, if you see something masculine, such as Vater, that's a masculine word. If it's a direct object, you're going to add an extra N to that word. So you're going to end up with something like this. So just keep that in mind. And masculine's the only thing that changes. Feminine will stay the same. Neuter will stay the same. Okay, so first sentence, ich habe blank Mutter und blank Vater. So we're trying to say I have a mother and a father. Well, we know Mutter is feminine. And we already know that will be eine. Ich habe eine Mutter. Und, now here's where we need to watch out. Father is masculine. And we know that he's a direct object because I have a father. He's the person I have. So we're going to put that extra N on the end of ein. Einen Vater. Ich habe eine Mutter und einen Vater. Next sentence, ich habe blank Tante. Tante is feminine, aunt. So we know that nothing's really going to change. We will put our feminine word for eine in there and move on. So nothing to worry about unless you see masculine. Ich habe blank Katze. I have a cat. Katze, if you already don't know that it's feminine, this E on the end would probably give you a hint that there's about 99% chance that it's feminine. And we know nothing will change because it's feminine. Ich habe eine Katze. I have a cat. Mein Mann hat blank Großvater. Okay, so immediately we see something masculine here. We're going to need to think about that. We know something's going to change because masculine is the only thing that changes. And we're going to add that N to the end of it. Mein Mann hat einen Großvater. My husband has a grandfather. Wir haben blank Haus. We have a house. So we know that house is neuter. Neuter, well, no ending, nothing changes. Wir haben ein Haus. And very last one, wir kaufen blank Zeitung. Wir kaufen blank Zeitung. We're buying a newspaper, or we buy a newspaper. Well, if you look in your book on Seite 45, you see that Zeitung is die, it's feminine. Now also, if you look at that at the end of the word, anytime you have at the end of the word, it's always going to be feminine. So we know feminine, nothing will change. We will put that eine like always. And that's it. I'll give you some more examples later. If you have any questions though, let me know. Tschüss.